What's up, Mustang crew? Is the Dayco serpentine belt kit any good? Yeah, the parts are OEM quality. Nothing feels loose. The kit comes with a tensioner, an idler, and the belt. Costs about $80 after adding in shipping and tax. Nothing is wrong with the idler that was in the vehicle. Nothing is wrong with the tensioner that was on the vehicle either. But after 20 years, it doesn't hurt to replace them. These will serve as backups. The belt was in poor condition and the Dayco unit is a perfect replacement. To remove the idler, you need a 15mm socket. To remove the tensioner, you need a T55. The OEM tensioner uses a 18mm socket and the replacement Dayco unit uses 15mm. You're going to transfer this bolt onto the new unit and then just thread it in. Torque specification for the idler is 18 foot-pounds and torque specification for the tensioner is 60 foot-pounds. The bracket has two holes. You're going to align these two holes to the bracket and then torque it down. Pretty simple. I thought that the kit was very good, but the OEM tensioner, the bolt, it goes into the tensioner, but this one is sticking out. That's the first red flag. Second red flag, it doesn't release the tension. That bolt is free floating. Even if I go the other way, that tensioner is no good. Garbage. Send it back. Now the OEM tensioner is back on there. Look at that. Working like it should. And everything's been replaced. The belt, the idler, they're working really good. The tensioner, on the other hand, that's a different story. This is what's happening. You see how that bolt is free turning? Garbage. So for the Dayco kit, I only recommend you buy the belt separate and the idler separate. Stay away from the tensioner. If you know a good tensioner, leave it down in the comments, because I do want to replace the tensioner still. I hope you learned something. Have a good day.